Let me show you how to make some healthy chips. These crispy chickpea chips are such a good one to try. They're easy to make and super satisfying. To make these healthy chips, you really only need one main ingredient, and that's chickpeas. You can just buy chickpea flour, and I've left a link in the description below if that's easier. But most of the time, I like to make my own chickpea flour at home. I just blend dried chickpeas until they turn into a fine flour, as you can see in the video here. And once it looks nice and powdery, I measure out 100 grams of chickpea flour for the recipe. Next, add the chickpea flour to a mixing bowl. Then, pour in 180 milliliters of room temperature water. And then, add 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Then, whisk everything together until the mixture is nice and smooth. Make sure there are no dry bits or little lumps of flour hiding in the bowl. It should look a bit like a thin pancake batter, smooth, pourable, and easy to spread, but not watery. If it still looks thick or pasty, keep whisking for a few more seconds until it loosens up and looks even, just as you can see here. If you like healthy snacks like this, please hit the like button because it really helps support my channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my other recipes and easy snack ideas. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper, then spoon a little of the batter onto the parchment. Use the back of the spoon to spread it out into thin circles, just as you see me doing here. Try to keep them as thin as you can because that is what helps them turn crisp in the oven. They do not need to look perfect, so do not worry about making perfect shapes. Just make sure they are not thick in the middle or those parts may stay soft. Please let me know in the comments below where you're watching from. I always love reading your comments and seeing where you're all watching from. Bake the chips in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, or until they look dry and lightly golden around the edges. They should feel crisp when you touch them, especially around the thinner parts. If some of them still look a little soft in the middle, give them another minute or two, but keep an eye on them so they do not get too dark. Let the chips cool on the parchment paper just for a moment, only until they are safe to touch. Do not leave them there too long because once they get fully crisp, they can crack and crumble while you are carefully peeling them off. It is best to peel them off while they are still slightly warm so they come away more easily. These chickpea chips are really thin and crisp. The flavor is pretty mild with a little nuttiness from the chickpea flour, so you can easily season them however you like. It is just a simple, crunchy, healthy snack that hits the spot when you want something savory without all the usual junk. If you liked these homemade chips, then you'll probably want to try these sweet potato chips here too. They're super simple to make, really crunchy, and such a good option when you want another easy, healthy homemade snack. Check it out now!